Hi friends, welcome back to Time. And we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a garbage truck. First, draw 2 circles for the wheels and connect them. Draw another lines at the other sides of the wheels, and then let's draw the cap. Just go up to the right and down. That's the cap or the front part of the garbage truck. And then draw the bottom. Let's draw the cargo box or the garbage box. For the back of the cargo box, it will be diagonally to the right, down to the right, because we're gonna draw the hopper like this. Let's draw the pattern on the hopper and also the garbage box. And then we're gonna draw the side mirror and the window of the cap, and after that the handle and the light, the front light and the back one, the detail of the wheels, just 2 circles inside the wheels. And now we are ready to color. Let's start coloring. For the cargo box or garbage box, I'm using 2 shades of green, and for the cap it's yellow, orange for the front light and red for the back light. And draw a little line to connect the cap and the container, and then color it green. For the window it's blue with the details of dark blue. Inside the wheels and the bottom of the garbage truck is gray and the wheels black. And I'm fixing the wheel so it doesn't look flat at the bottom. And now it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.